Welcome to Latest Laws. In a first, the Punjab and Haryana High Court dealt with a legal proposition that sprouted after a time-barred petition filed before 30th June under CRPC, accompanied by the applications under Section 5 of the Limitations Act 1963, stood pending as of 1st July, came up for hearing. After it was adjourned when the CRPC was still in force. The legal issue before the court thus was if the delay is condoned, would the case be governed under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 or the newly enacted Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The court interpreted Section 531 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and opined that the particulars of the section make it clear that all the appeals, applications, trials, inquiries, and investigations pending on or before 30th June 2024 would continue to be governed under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Considering that the present criminal revision was time barred and what was pending was the application under Section 5 of the Limitations Act 1963, the court noted that the effect of condonation of delay is that the delay is forgiven and the plea is treated as filed within the limitation period, and thus the present time barred petition shall be governed under the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 and not Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. In another news, the Supreme Court has issued a circular effectively merging existing registrars' court R1 and R2 into one registrars' court. The decision, the circular states, has been taken to facilitate hearing of large number of matters, optimum utilization of resources for effective management of cases, and to streamline the conducting of the registrars' court.